In this video, we're going to talk about Advanced Revolution 2.0 GMS 2.0 settings. And that is the ability to upload and play custom sounds from your taggers. As you can see in the video, you have the Bravo tagger there. And I have Foghorn selected with a volume set at 30%. Now you can select any volume level you want. Double click set, and then that volume is going to show up on the taggers. Once you have custom sounds loaded, you can select them in your game management system, and they will play when you press double play, when you double click play on the sound selection. Now this is a game over field marshal sound that I created using Audacity, which is a free sound recording program. It was exported as a .wav. This was a very large file. This took about 3 minutes a tagger to upload, and it was 151 pieces in total. But double click play. And that played directly from the tagger. So if you have a large field or you have problems getting everybody back in, you can create a custom sound and upload it to your taggers and then play it directly from the tagger. I've also downloaded a Foghorn sound and uploaded it to the taggers, and I can double click that. And there you go. Rhino just played a big old foghorn. So you can select which taggers play that by checking them in the group that you are playing and play that sound. Now I know you're asking, Josh, this is a great feature, but how do I get these sounds uploaded to my taggers? Well, it's similar to using the device management for uploading updates. We're going to go to device management. Select the files that we want to upload. I'm going to upload this laser charging sound. And I'm only going to upload it to Rhino at this time. So I've selected Rhino, and I'm going to select upload. Rhino is going to switch to manager. He's now in manager mode, and he's ready to receive files. That's shown here on status. And this is only a 31-piece packet. So it's successfully sent already 4 of 31. And we're just going to let that run. Progress on the tagger shows in percentages. And packets is being loaded up. So there it lost one of the packets that it was sending, and it retried it. And it successfully sent it on the second try. Successfully done. And probably with the power of Magic, Matt has sped that up just a little bit. Hopefully he has left in the retry to show that that does. And now it's successfully done. Now we're writing that to the tagger. Once it's done writing that to the tagger, it's going to load back into player. And once it's done loading player, I can go ahead and close the upload process. Go to laser charging. And now I can double click laser charging. And that custom sound comes directly from the tagger and plays. And you can select which tagger plays which sound. I'm going to have 67 play the Game Over Field Marshal sound. And then I'm going to select Foghorn.
Return back to your Field Marshal.
Select Rhino. And I can play that from...
Over.
So you can play multiple sounds on different taggers all at the same time. You cannot play two sounds from one tagger at the same time. Once again, this is an advanced feature of Game Management 2.0 and Revolution 2.0. If you're not up to the latest and greatest, please contact your Elite Laser Tag representative. We have a great sales force, great corporate office, and a great tech team trying to help you do the very best you can, providing amazing laser tag experiences for everyone. I hope you have enjoyed these instructional videos on Game Management System 2.0 and Revolution System 2.0 advanced features. If you have any questions, as always, please contact us with our amazing emails and or phone numbers. Thank you very much and have a great day.